Locked out of your Chase account due to a past issue. Don't panic. This video is your guide to regaining access. First, immediately contact Chase customer service. You can find the number on the Chase website or on the back of any Chase card. Clearly explain your account was closed due to a previous problem and you want to understand the reason for the closure and explore options for reopening it. Be prepared to answer questions about your identity and past account activity. Often, account closures stem from unpaid fees or outstanding debts. Inquire specifically if there are any outstanding balances linked to the closed account. If there are, make a plan to resolve them as quickly as possible. You may be able to set up payment plans. Keep records of all payments made. Next, gather all necessary documentation. This might include your driver's license, social security card, proof of address such as a utility bill, and any relevant documents related to the past issue that led to the account closure. If you made a prior payment, keep that payment proof handy. Chase may require you to submit a formal request for account reinstatement. Along with the documentation, follow their instructions carefully and provide all requested information accurately and completely. Once you've completed these steps, remain patient and stay in communication with Chase. Account recovery can take time, but by following these steps, you'll significantly increase your chances of getting your Chase bank account back. Good luck!